Hi, today I will be informing you about harmful algal blooms and how to report one. The New York State DEC has a webpage with all sorts of information, but most people do not know about the important and easy reporting system. What is an algal bloom? An algal bloom is the rapid increase in algae within an aquatic system. Algal blooms may occur in marine environments in addition to freshwater sources. Algal blooms are the result of excess nutrients, oftentimes that is phosphorus or nitrogen. When algal blooms form, other plants die. Not all algal blooms are harmful. Harmful algal blooms are often associated with large-scale marine mortality events. As you can see in the image here, not all algal blooms are harmful. Would you be able to tell which one is? So what are some reasons for these HABs? Global climate change causes wider ranges for some species. Human contributions increase nutrients and pollution, changes in local ecosystems, stagnant water, abundance of light. Is it getting sunlight all day long? Here I have shown cyanobacteria, which causes one of the most common forms of an algal bloom, which is the blue-green algae bloom. Here I have shown some red tide. This is very common down in Florida. Lastly, what should you do if you see an algal bloom? Report it. I will be showing you how to do so. So the first thing you're going to want to do is type in your state DEC harmful algal blooms. It's the first link. If you've never been here before, it's going to ask you if you want to sign up for their newsletter. It's very informational. I suggest it. Now they have all sorts of information. There's where you're going to want to report the algal bloom. But if you want to go down here first, they have a photo gallery with all sorts of images. So to report it, just click on there. It's going to bring you to a different website. Now, very, very important right here. You have the date, the time, your email, first name, last name, which county it was in. They have a map where you can pinpoint it, get exactly where it was if you're not sure. The name of the lake, public access, north, south, east, or western part of the lake. The extent of the bloom could have been everywhere if it was widespread. Now, here you can upload a photograph of it. They're going to want that. If you don't have one, then you don't have that. Now here you can select what algal bloom it looks like. That helps them get an idea of what they're looking at. And any additional comments if you would like to add any. Know it, avoid it, report it. Now, you want to avoid these if you see one. You don't want to let your dog in there. People always let their dogs in the algal blooms, but you're not going to go in the water if you see that yourself, so why would you let your dog? Your dog's going to get sick. Some dogs even die from this stuff, so please just steer clear and report one if you see one. Thank you. Please see the link provided for more information.